Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinay. I'm a DJ, producer, sound engineer and a tutor. So in case if you want to know more about me, you can click the link below. So today I am actually not showing any tutorials, but I've got something special for you. So that's a video about performing live mashup. The reason for showing this video is after completing this series, how to be a professional DJ, I assure you that you will be able to make these type of mashups live and much more. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So friends, I hope you like the video and the performance. So the last video was about Pioneer DJM 900 Nexus 2, and the coming series will be all about knowing the CDJs, the techniques of mixing. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So stay tuned, stay blessed and keep learning. Goodbye.